What's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. I'm here to bring you a quick tip on how to remove a spark plug from a 5.4 engine. I'm sure you've all heard the horror stories about trying to remove your spark plugs from a 5.4 engine. Well, stay tuned and watch. I have a tip that's going to make it easy for you. If you're one of the lucky people who happen to have a Ford with this style plug in it, you kind of heard the nightmares before that. When you pull the plug out, this section here gets stuck in the head, and then you have to use this tool here to get it out. Well, I'm going to show you a little quick trick on this, and it really works well. This is a setup that I use to take out this plug, the 1/2 inch impact, and I use this first set right here. This will take out all the plugs, but the last one on the right side of the bank. With that one there, you'll use an extension on it just to get a little bit more leverage on it. Make sure that when you use your extension that you try to stay as straight as you can going in on that plug, and you'll find it to work just fine. If you enjoyed that quick tip, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications.